Okay, those are all the possible sources of stress. So when people feel stressed, okay, what will happen to them? See the consequences of stress, or in the process of the stress we see as strains. So similar to these sources of stress, under consequences of stress, there are many consequences that can be categorized into four, which are mental health, maladaptive behavior, work-related effects, and physical health. So when people experience stress, it may affect their mental health, it may cause them to behave maladaptively, okay, it may affect their work-related performance and everything related to works, as well as it may affect their own health. So let's look at one by one. So when people feel stress, they may develop depressions. Okay, if we do not prevent, if we do not remedy, if we do not treat stress, people may develop even a severe mental health condition such as depression, such as anxiety, okay, anger issues or anger management issues, as well as sleep problems. Similar to the symptom of stress, people have anger issues and people have sleep problems. For depression and anxiety, I've met quite a number of adults who supposedly professionals, who are aware about time management, who are aware about their the importance of looking after work-life balance. But these people also experience stress, and to my knowledge, I knew 3 people who are clinically being diagnosed as anxiety disorder. Okay, general anxiety disorder. Because of what? Because they have too many works to do, they develop stress and they do not treat the stress, and some of them deny or do not acknowledge that they feel the stress. So what happened in the long run? They develop general anxiety disorders. Okay, some even develop multiple mental health problems, depression, anxiety, and even suicidal ideation. So it's very important to look into stress and to treat stress before it can develop even severe mental health problems such as depression, anxiety. Okay, so next is maladaptive behavior. When people are stressful and they do not know how to handle their stress, they may behave in a way that they think will solve their stress, but in a way that they are actually causing more harm, such as of what? Smoking, okay, drinking alcohol, or maybe now drinking ketum, okay, or abusing substance such as drug abuse. Okay, these are maladaptive behaviors. They are caused by people. They are caused by stress. Okay, people who experience excessive stress, they do not know how to treat it, they do not know how to cope, they do not know how to handle. They may result into smoking, drinking alcohol, or drug abuse. Okay, work-related effects. Okay, work-related effect. Why companies need to pay attention to stress management? Why companies need to make sure that the employees do not experience stress? Okay, do not develop stress. Why? Because if the employees are stressful, their performance will be reduced. Okay, they will not show the same performance levels to the when they are not stressed. Okay, when they are stressed, their performance will be low. Okay, so it will cause them to be absent. Okay, they don't come to work, absenteeisms, or they may even quit your job. Okay, they may even quit the company, turnover. Okay, on lower productivity, same goes to performance. Low performance, low productivity. Why? Because they are stressful, and even can cause workplace violence, fighting among people. Remember, people who are stressful, they have emotion dysregulation. They cannot control their emotion. They feel sad. They can easily get angry, for example. So work-related effects. And lastly, the most important one, when people experience stress for a long run, it will affect their health, their physical health. Okay, you can see the numbers. There are many reports, statistics showing that even at a young age, people have heart problems, cardiovascular problems. Why? They have good job, they have good career, they have good families, They have good financial status. Why suddenly develops heart problems? It could be because of the stress. People have illnesses. Okay, they're sick all the time, have headache, pain, joint pain. Why? Because they are stressful. So these are the 4 categories of consequences of stress. If people have stress, they may have developed this later on.